Let's learn about documenting. Programmers write documentation in order to explain what a function does. This is useful not only for sharing code with other programmers, but when we come back to code we wrote later. To document code, you create comments that are ignored when the code is executed. These comments are for the benefit of humans, not the computer. Python has two ways of writing comments. To make a single-line comment in Python, you should use the hash symbol, also known as pound or octothorpe. Everything after the hash symbol on the same line is completely ignored by your program. To write multi-line comments in Python, you actually create a triple quoted string. When Python evaluates the string, the value is unused, so it is safely ignored by the computer. However, unlike the single-line comment, this means that the start of a multi-line comment must respect indentation rules, as shown here. There are many opinions on when to write comments, and no correct answer. Some people believe you need to document every single line. Some people believe you should only document functions and programs as a whole. You will need to find your own balance. For example, rather than documenting every line, you might only document lines that are particularly confusing, or document a chunk of code. Many people agree that, at a minimum, you should document all of your functions. Here is the convention that you will need to follow. Use a triple quoted string as the first line in the definition of the function. Begin with a quick description of what the function does. Leave a blank line, and then type args, args, . Indent the next line, and then type the name of the first parameter, followed by its type in parentheses. On the same line, write a colon, and then describe the parameter. If you need to continue on to the next line, make sure it is indented past the previous line. You should repeat this for all parameters of your function. Finally, write returns, and then, on the next line, write the name of the return type, followed by a colon and a description of the returned value.